YouTube, it's your girl Darwin. And today we just came back from school. Now tell them where you came from.
I came to Disney.
And I just came back from boarding school. Okay, whatever. Today I got a package of my phone. I think it's my phone. If it's not moved out, if it's not my phone, get an adult to help you. I'm only using the blade one. I'm not using those sharp ones. Okay, let me get the box open. I'll be RB. Okay, guys, I open it. Now, don't tell them what it is. Okay, let's see what it is. Now, just stop screaming. This is mine. You know that, right? This is not yours. You're not going to use it. Let's see. Okay, so we got this case. And what's yours? Huh? My phone! So sweet. Okay, let me open it. Wait. Okay, look. Well, would you stop being a baby? Dang. Okay, I got the case. Let's open it. Look at my baby right there. Let's take it out the case. Okay, guys, I took it out the case, and this is what it looks like. Okay, that's fake. Let's open it. Okay, done.